Why is low Earth orbit critical for mitigating space junk? Imagine a busy highway packed with cars, trucks, and motorcycles all zooming past each other at high speeds. Now picture that same chaos happening thousands of miles above Earth. That's what low Earth orbit looks like with all the satellites, rockets, and debris flying around. It's the most crowded part of space, and that makes it a key area for managing space junk. Most of the space debris, including old satellites, spent rocket stages, and tiny fragments, gather in low Earth orbit. This zone stretches from about 160 to 2,000 kilometers above Earth's surface. Because it's so close to Earth, objects here experience a tiny amount of atmospheric drag. This drag gradually slows debris down, causing it to fall back into the atmosphere and burn up. This natural process helps clear some space, but it's not enough anymore. The rapid increase in satellite launches has overwhelmed this natural cleanup. Low Earth orbit is also where many important assets are located. The International Space Station, Earth observation satellites, and large satellite networks for internet and communication all operate here. Even small pieces of debris traveling at thousands of kilometers per hour can cause serious damage to these vital systems. That's why protecting this area is so important. To reduce space junk in low Earth orbit, scientists and engineers use a few smart strategies. One is active debris removal. This involves special spacecraft like NASA's active debris removal vehicle that can go up, find large pieces of debris, and capture them. Removing big objects cuts down the chances of collisions that create even more debris. Another approach is to make satellites that are designed to deorbit after their mission ends. Many new satellites are built to either burn up in the atmosphere or move to a designated graveyard orbit. This keeps them from becoming long-term trash in low Earth orbit. Regulations also play a role. Agencies like the European Space Agency have rules that limit how long satellites can stay in orbit after they stop working. For example, new guidelines now requiring satellites to deorbit within 5 years instead of 25. This helps keep the area cleaner over time. Tracking and avoiding collisions is another key tactic. Ground-based radar and space telescopes constantly monitor objects in low Earth orbit. When a satellite detects a potential collision, it can perform a small maneuver to avoid hitting debris. This prevents accidents that could generate more junk. Innovative ideas are also being tested, like ground-based lasers that can nudge debris slightly to make it re-enter Earth's atmosphere faster. These technologies could become part of future debris management plans. All these efforts show that low Earth orbit is both the most vulnerable and the most manageable zone for space junk. Keeping it clear is essential for the safety of current satellites, future missions, and the long-term sustainability of space activities. Managing debris here helps ensure space remains a safe and accessible environment for exploration, communication, and scientific discovery.